Hey, in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a keycard system just like in Roblox Jailbreak and or Prison Life. So you have a keycard, you have a door, and once you walk up to the door with your keycard equipped, it opens and it also closes automatically. And as you can see, without a keycard we can't open the door. That's it, let's get into the video. So for starters, we open up Roblox Studio and choose an empty base plate. Now that we've got it loaded, we can open the toolbox from Home and choose any models, but if you have your own models or you want to build them, you're also free to do that now. So I'll be just taking a prison door from here. I like this one, the one I used for the demo. And then I'll be choosing a key card. As you can see, once again, the demo one. Now it wants to put it into the starter pack, which I'll let it do. But just to show you, if you have your own and yeah, I'm not sure where it went, but if you have your own key card and you have it here in workspace, you want to make a tool here. So you go to starter pack, you choose a tool, and then you choose your model, which should have a handle, and you drag it into the tool. And then you can name the tool, for example, key card. Now let me just fix this door real quick. So to edit the parts properly, I have to put all the parts together into one union, into one big part, so a model doesn't cut it here. Which, in case you're following along with the exact same model, you choose all the parts and then you select union. Now you can delete the model because it's no longer necessary and just call the union door. Now within your door, you select a basic script. And in this script, we'll start by defining the door. So local script dot parent, local door equals script dot parent. And then we want to know what the key card is so that we can check if players have it. So we'll define that as well. The local key card will be game.starter pack dot keycard, or whatever you have it called here, which should be keycard, but whatever, it's fine. And now we'll check if the door is touched by a player. So we'll know to check if the player has a card. So we know that someone wants to walk through the door, and then we'll be checking if the player has a card. So we'll do door.touched, and we'll connect it to a function. Yes, and then we can just put part here or player. Yes. And now we'll check if whatever hit the door, so what we're assuming to be a player, is really a player. So we'll do if player dot parent find first child is a humanoid, then we can continue to check. So if this is true, we'll move on to here, and we'll move on knowing that what really touched the door was a player. And now we'll check if within the player we have a key card. So we'll do player.parent, which will actually be the model, and then we'll do find first child, and we'll see if we can find the key card. And we'll make this into a condition 2. And now knowing that a player wants to go through and the player has a keycard equipped, we can turn the door transparent, and we can turn off Can Collide so that we can actually go through the door. So Can Collide will be false, and door.transparency will be 1. Then we'll have a wait time. So task.wait, and this is the amount of time that you want the door to be open for until it closes. So I'll do 2 seconds. And then we'll just cancel these. So we'll do door.canCollide, and we'll turn it on true, and door.transparency will become 0 again. So there's a small error here. For find first child, you want all the words to be capitalized. So find first child, and here too find first child, but with the first 2 F's and the C capitalized. And now it should work. And as you can see, the door disappears, so aka opens, and closes, so reappears. And that's it for today's video. If you had any problems, comment them down below and I'll help you.